Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today I want to talk about a very interesting subject, the serum and the moisturizer. Should you use one without the other, or should you use both? I understand that when you walk into a department store in the beauty section, or you walk into a store like Sephora, and you can be quite overwhelmed by all the different products out there. You know, there are serums. I'll just pick a few here. There's serums like this sitting in the shelves, and there's moisturizers, just to show you, moisturizers like this sitting in the shelves. And you can be quite bombarded with all these different products. What should you use? Which one should you choose? Well, for me, understanding the difference between a serum and a moisturizer will help you to make the decision. The difference between a serum and a moisturizer is a serum tends to be water-based. It doesn't have any oil properties or ingredients like urea, glycerin, fruit or seed oil. So it doesn't have a lot of lubricants in it. So, and because it is water-based, any active ingredients in the water base can go faster and go deeper into your skin, and therefore can correct whatever skin conditions that you have. So because of its lightweight and fast working properties, the serum is very good for treating skin conditions. When it comes to a moisturizer, which usually comes with a tub, you know, something like this, a moisturizer tends to be oil-based. It has a lot of lubricants in it, has a lot of fruit and seed oil, glycerin, and a lot of manufacturers would add some vitamin B or C or other small active ingredients. And what it does is, because it is oil-based, therefore the molecules are bigger, it tends to just sit on top of your skin. But what it does, it will lock in all the moisture, which means your skin will not dry out. Hence, we do need the moisturizer. For myself, I use both the serum and the moisturizer. Right now, right at this moment in time, the serum that I use, this is the one here, by Roche-Posay, Pigmentclar. As I shared in my previous video, I suffer from skin pigmentation, and I still continually treat my skin pigmentation. And this is the serum that I find most effective and value for money at the moment. And for my moisturizer, this is what I'm using right now. This one here by Manuka Doctor Skin Repairing Cream. And what I do is I mix my moisturizer with my sunblock. This is my sunblock that I use at the moment, my favorite one, by the Skin Cancer Society. And I always use a 50 plus broad spectrum UVB UVA. And this is what I do. I just mix my sunblock with a pump of my moisturizer, and I just mix them together like this. If you have oily skin, or if you have skin that suffer from acne or pimples, then it might be better to use just a serum, because a serum doesn't have any oils, a serum that has vitamin C. But if you have a mature skin, like myself, I tend to have mature and dry skin, then you might like to use both a serum and a moisturizer. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for joining me in this skincare and beauty journey. If you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends, family, and colleagues, and encourage them to subscribe. Otherwise, that's all for today. See you next week. Bye.